Hello students, we'll be doing a new chapter today, circles. Now here, first let us understand the basics of circles. Let's say this is a circle. This is the center of the circle. From the center of the circle, if I draw a line on the circumference, this boundary is called as the circumference of the circle. When I draw a line from the center to the circumference, this line is called as the radius. Okay, if I draw a line from here till here, it should reach the circumference of the circle. Then this is also a radius. From here also I can draw a radius. All these are radius, and the length of the radius are same. Like if this is 5 centimeter, this will also be 5 centimeter, this will also be 5 centimeter. Radius are always same. Okay, then 2 points on the circumference. When I join 2 points on the circumference, then this line is called as the chord. This line is called as the chord. From the center, if I pass a line from the center, a straight line from the center, this line is called as the diameter. This line is called as the diameter. Okay, let's say this O is the center of the circle and A and B are 2 points. So from O, if I cover this part, from O to B, from center to circumference, this is the radius. From O to A, from center to circle, this is also a radius. That means the diameter, the full diameter AB, is made up of 2 radius. Correct? Or I can say that the radius is half of the diameter. Okay, the radius is half of the diameter. Understood? The chord is 2 points joining the circle. The chord can be any way. Like for example, if I take these 2 points, this is a chord. If I join these 2 lines, this is a chord. Okay, so radius, chord, diameter. Now what is the arc? Arc means if I draw any 2 points, mark any 2 points on the circle, the distance between these 2 points on the circumference, the distance between these 2 points on the circumference means this length here, this length is the arc. If I, let's say I draw these 2 points here, the distance between these 2 points, the length, the distance between these 2 points is the arc. This is called as the arc. I can name it arc AB, or there can be 3 alphabets also to name an arc. For example, A, this is B, this is C. You can also name it as arc ABC, or you can name it arc AB. Okay, these were the basics about the circles. Now let's understand some chord properties. Some chord properties which will help us in solving the first exercise of the chapter. Now, theorem 1. Theorem 2. Theorem 1 and theorem 2 are related to each other. What are they? Let's understand. In a circle, if I draw a chord, let's say this is a chord AB. This is the center of the circle. From the center of the circle, if I draw a line, which divides this chord into equal parts. What is the condition here? What is the given condition? That the line bisects the chord. You understand bisects? Bisects means to divide into equal parts. So this line here bisects the chord. Okay, so this chord is bisected. So what the theorem says is that line drawn from the center which bisects the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Okay, so what we can conclude here? Perpendicular to chord means a line drawn from the center which bisects the chord. If this line bisects the chord, then this line has to be perpendicular. It has to make 90 degrees. Okay. So the statement says line drawn from the center which bisects the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Okay. And the same theorem but in the reverse manner is given here. Here they will say, if this is a chord and let's say this is the center, the theorem 2 says that if I draw a line which is perpendicular to the chord, I am drawing a line which is perpendicular to the chord. Okay. Line perpendicular to the chord. If I draw a line perpendicular to the chord, then this line will definitely bisect the chord. Okay, so what will be the conclusion here? That it will bisect the chord. Okay, both theorems are same, only the given condition changes. यहाँ पे क्या दिया था कि ये लाइन है जो कॉर्ड को बाइसेक्ट करती है, तो इट विल बी परपेंडिकुलर. बाइसेक्ट का इन्फॉर्मेशन दी हुई थी, तो वी कंक्लूडेड दैट हाँ ये परपेंडिकुलर भी होगा. यहाँ पे क्या बोला है कि ये लाइन परपेंडिकुलर है, वो दिया है, तो हम कंक्लूड करेंगे कि यस फिर ये बाइसेक्ट भी करता है. ओके, दैट मीन्स बाइसेक्ट करना और परपेंडिकुलर होना दे गो हैंड इन हैंड. ओके, ये दोनों हमेशा ट्रू होगा. That if you draw a line which is perpendicular, then it will bisect, or if you draw a line which bisects, then it will be perpendicular. These are the two theorems. Okay, you can just rewind the video and listen to the explanation once again to get to know the theorems very well, because they are very important. They will help you in solving the sums. Theorem 3 and theorem 4, they are related to each other. Simple theorems here. What are these? They say if there are two chords, let's say there are two chords. If I draw two chords like this is the center of the circle. The distance of the chord from the center of the circle means ये जो chord है ये कितनी दूर है center से. ये distance, ये जो chord है ना, ये कितनी दूर है center से. This distance, this is the distance. ये जो लाइन है ना यहाँ पे बनाई है मैंने, दिस इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द सेंटर एंड द कॉर्ड. यू कैन सी दिस इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द सेंटर एंड द कॉर्ड. ओके, सो ये डिस्टेंस है. वैसे ही सेंटर का इस कॉर्ड के साथ क्या डिस्टेंस होगा? ये कॉर्ड है यहाँ पे और ये सेंटर है, तो दिस इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द सेंटर एंड द कॉर्ड. हाउ विल आई मार्क इट? आई विल हैव टू ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर. ओके, सो व्हाट डज द थ्योरम सेज? थ्योरम सेज दैट इफ द कॉर्ड्स आर इक्वल, if let's say this chord AB and this chord PQ are equal मतलब समझो ये भी 10 सेंटीमीटर है और ये भी 10 सेंटीमीटर है. if the chords are equal, then their distance from the center, this distance which they have from the center will also be equal. okay, मतलब अगर ये chords equal है 10 सेंटीमीटर की या 20 सेंटीमीटर की है, तो ये distance भी सेम होगा. okay, so the statement goes equal chords are equidistant from center. Okay, so these equal chords are equidistant from the center. The second theorem, this says same only, same with a small change. If there are two chords, this is the distance of first chord, this is the distance of second chord. This time they are telling me that this distance is, let's say, 3 centimeter and this distance is also 3 centimeter. So that means the distance of these two chords are equal. chords के बारे में कुछ नहीं बताया है कि equal है या नहीं है, बट उन्होंने बताया है कि जो इस chord का distance है और जो इस chord का distance है वो distance same है. If the distance of the chord from the center is same, then the chords will also be equal. What they are saying, that chords that are equidistant will also be equal. मतलब अगर वो सेंटर से सेम डिस्टेंस पे है तो डेफिनेटली उनकी लेंथ भी सेम होगी. एग्जैक्टली इसका उल्टा. यहाँ पे क्या बताया था कि कॉर्ड्स इक्वल है तो डिस्टेंस इक्वल होगा. यहाँ बताया डिस्टेंस इक्वल है तो कॉर्ड्स इक्वल होगा. ओके, these are the 4 theorems which we'll be using it in the sums. Radius, you have understood what is radius? Radius is half of diameter. Okay, now based on this, let's start the exercise. Come to exercise 17a. Just you can go through these theorems once again, pause the video, rewind the video and just go through these theorems once again. Question number 17a. Sorry, exercise 17a, question 1. It says a chord of length 6 centimeter. There is a circle and there is a chord which has length 6 centimeter. Is drawn in a circle of radius 5 centimeter. So ये circle है जिसका radius है 5 centimeter. Radius को कैसे बनाना है? If you are making a chord ना, always make the radius such that center से लेके chord के कोई भी एक point तक radius बनाओ. Let's say this is the radius. Center से लेके circle तक. This is the radius. ठीक है. So they are saying a chord of length 6 centimeter in a circle has radius 5 centimeter. Calculate its distance from the center. पूछा है कि इस chord का distance center से कितना distance पे है. मतलब यहाँ से एक perpendicular draw करेंगे. ओके, तो पूछा है कि ये distance कितना है. ओके, ये पूरा 6 दिया है. Let's say this point is O and this point is P. This point here is P. So first what I will write that OP is perpendicular to AP. This OP is perpendicular to AB. If this OP is perpendicular to AP, that means this line will bisect this chord. हमने theorem पढ़ाई है, second theorem. Okay, so statement perpendicular from center bisects the chord. Statement is perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. That means AP equals PB. मतलब ये जो chord है ये equal parts में divide हो गया है. Okay, अगर ये equal parts में divide हो गया है, so this full is 6 centimeter, so this is 3 and 3. So ये मिला 3 centimeter. Okay, that means PB will be equal to 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Now what I'll do, I have to find this distance OP. So in this triangle OPB, I will apply Pythagoras theorem. I will apply Pythagoras theorem here. So OP square plus PB square will give me OB square. OP square plus PB square will give me OB square. So OP we don't know. PB is 3 square. OB is 5 square. You can easily solve this. You will have 25 minus 9, that is 16. So if you take square root, you will get 4 centimeter. So the distance of the chord from the center is 4 centimeter. Okay, just pause the video and copy the sum. Next, question number 2. A chord of length 8 centimeter. So chord length is 8 centimeter. They have told this time. A chord of length 8 centimeter is drawn at a distance of 3 centimeter from the center. मतलब chord center से कितना दूर बनाया है? 3 centimeter. ये distance दे दिया already. So they have told that the distance of the chord from the center is 3 centimeter. Calculate the radius of the circle. Center से लेके यहाँ तक radius होता है ये. So ये radius calculate करना है. ठीक है, let's say chord is AB, this point is O and this point is P. So they are asking me to find the radius. I'll write the same steps here. The initial steps. ये steps है ना, ये same steps repeat होंगे. क्या repeat होगा? That OP is perpendicular to AP and perpendicular from center bisects the chord. So ये perpendicular from the center bisects the chord means ये दोनों part equal है. So if this full chord is 8 centimeter, this will be 4 and this will be 4. So you get PB as 4. Right here AP is equal to PB. Therefore PB is 8 upon 2, that is 4 centimeter. Now you have PB4, OP3. Apply Pythagoras here. Apply Pythagoras and find OB. I leave this part on you. You can easily find this. Okay. Question 3. The radius of a circle is 17 centimeter and the length of the perpendicular drawn from its center to the chord is 8 centimeter. Means they are saying that in the third sum. Read the question along with me. Okay, you should keep the question in front of you and keep reading it. There is a center, there is this chord, and they have told that the radius of the circle is 17 centimeter and the length of the perpendicular drawn from its center to the chord, perpendicular drawn from center to the chord, this length is 8 centimeter. Calculate the length of the chord. तो chord का length find करना है. Okay, तो chord का length मतलब ये पूरा AB, but पहले हम ये PB ढूंढ लेते हैं using this small triangle. So in triangle OPB, using Pythagoras theorem, OP square plus PB square equals OB square. Okay, so 8 square plus PB square equals 17 square. 289 minus 64, that is 225. So you will get PB as 15. So you got PB as 15. Now we know that perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. I'll write the statement. Statement लिखना ज़रूरी है. Perpendicular from center bisects the chord. Okay, that means AP will be equal to PB. So ये भी 15 होगा AP. तो मतलब ये पूरा AB क्या हुआ? Full length. So therefore chord AB is 15 into 2, 30 centimeter. Okay, let's come to the next question. Question number 4. Similar question. Let's draw a circle again. A chord of length 24 centimeter is at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center of the circle. So there is a chord of length 24 centimeter which is at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center of the circle. So this is the center of the circle. तो chord का distance कितना है? Chord is at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center of the circle. Okay, let's say the chord is AB, center P. Find the length of the chord of the same circle विच इज़ एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 12 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द सेंटर. मतलब बोल रहे हैं कि इसी सर्कल में देर इज़ वन मोर कॉर्ड. Okay, find the length of the chord of the same circle which is at a distance of 12 centimeter from the center. Means this new chord which we have to find is at a distance of 12 centimeter from the center. Okay, so this chord is at a distance of 12 centimeter from the center. Okay, now how to find this? First of all, I'll draw the radius. From the center to this point, this is the radius of the circle. Okay, I'll write here join OB, and let's name this chord also as PQ. This is P, sorry, P is already used. QR. Okay, and let's name this point as T. Now join OB and OQ. OB is the radius, सेंटर से लेके कॉर्ड के पॉइंट तक, सर्कल सर्कमफ्रेंस तक, एंड OQ इज ऑल्सो रेडियस, सेंटर से लेके कॉर्ड तक. वाई आई मेड, बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट ट्राइंगल्स. ओके, बोथ आर रेडियस. नाउ दिस OP इज परपेंडिकुलर टू AB. करेक्ट, ये OP परपेंडिकुलर है AB को, एंड दिस OT इज परपेंडिकुलर टू QR. If these lines are perpendicular, that means they will bisect the chord. Perpendicular from center bisects the chord. मतलब ये दोनों equal होगा. I'll write the statement. Perpendicular from center bisects the chord. Okay, so that means AP is equal to PB and RT is equals to TQ. Writing this explanation is important. Okay, you know that they are equal, but you have to write it down. You have to explain it to the examiner. Okay, now if this full chord is 24, that means ये होगा 12 और ये होगा 12. So ये 5 है, ये 12 है, तो I can find OB. Okay, so in triangle OPB, using Pythagoras theorem, OP square plus PB square equals OB square. So 5 square plus 12 square equals OB square. Solve this. Pause the video and solve this. You will get the answer of OB as 13 centimeter. Now if OB is 13 centimeter, OQ will also be 13 centimeter, because दोनों रेडियस है. रेडियस सेम होता है हमेशा सर्कल में. कितना भी रेडियस बनाओ, कहीं भी बनाओ, रेडियस विल ऑलवेज बी सेम. सो ये भी 13 है, ये भी 13 होगा. ओके, देयरफॉर OQ इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू 13 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, नाउ in triangle, I'll take this triangle now, OTQ. Okay, OTQ. अभी इस triangle में this is 12, this 90 के सामने hypotenuse is 13, and we can find TQ here in this triangle. So OT square plus TQ square equals OQ square. So 12 square plus TQ square equals 13 square. So TQ square is 169 minus 144. So TQ square is 25. TQ is 5. If this TQ is 5, that means this TR will also be 5, RT, because ये दोनों equal है. So ये 5, तो पूरा chord क्या हुआ? Chord QR will be 5 into 2, 10 centimeter. This is all what we had to do. Okay? Copy the sum. Now, in the question number 5, you have two circles which has the same center. These are called as concentric circles which have same center. Okay, concentric circles. Then there is a line which cuts both the circle AD and cuts the smaller circle at points BD. They have told that OP is perpendicular to BD. It is told in the question that OP is perpendicular to BD. O is the center of both the circles. OA, this distance here, OA is given as 34. Okay, so ये distance OA 34 दिया है. What is this distance OA? See, बड़े सर्कल को देखो, सेंटर से लेके A तक. This distance from center to point A is the radius of the bigger circle. बरोबर ना, ये बड़े सर्कल का रेडियस हुआ. And they have given that OB is 20 centimeter. Okay, so OB means this point, this line is 20 centimeter. Okay, and OP is 16 centimeter. And what do we have to find? We have to find AB. How to do that? Very simple. AB किधर है? AB इधर है, इधर छोटा. Okay, you cannot solve this triangle ABO. ये triangle solve नहीं हो सकता because this is not a right angle triangle. You cannot solve this. So what we will do? We will solve this smaller triangle OPB. ये OPB, इसमें Pythagoras करेंगे. In triangle OPB, using Pythagoras theorem, what will happen? OP square plus BP square equals OB square. Okay, so that is 16 square plus BP square equals 20 square. I want you to do the Pythagoras theorem on your own. Do the steps, you will get BP as 12. Now, you have got BP as 12. Now, take this full triangle OAP. This full triangle, ये जो बाहर का triangle दिख रहा है ये. Take this triangle. 90 degree है यहाँ पे. So do Pythagoras in this full triangle OP, AP and AO. In triangle OAP, using Pythagoras theorem, OP square plus AP square equals OA square. Okay, what is AP? 16 square. AP we don't know, and OA is 34 square. Okay, so you will get AP square equals 1156 minus 256, that is 900. So you will get AP as 30. Now this full AP is 30, this BP is 12. मुझे चाहिए AB, तो क्या करूँगा? AP में से BP को माइनस करूँगा तो मुझे मिल जाएगा AB. वेरी सिंपल. AB is AP minus BP. See the diagram. AP minus BP. ये मिल जाएगा AB. Okay, that is 30 minus 12, 18 centimeter. Done. Question is complete. Next, question number 6. The question number 6 has two parts. The question says, in a circle of radius 17 centimeter, two parallel chords of length 30 centimeter and 16 centimeter are drawn. Two parallel chords in a circle. See, in a circle, if this is the center of the circle and there are two parallel chords, so let's say this is one chord and this is another chord. These are two parallel chords. If you notice, these two chords are on the opposite sides of the center. एक center के नीचे है, एक center के ऊपर है. But one can also draw the chords like this. If this is the center, I can draw two parallel chords like this. Okay, these are also parallel chords. So in the question, they have said that you have to draw two parallel chords in the circle and find the distance between the chords. You have to find the distance between the chords. One time, in the first case, you have to take the chords on the opposite side. In the second case, you have to take the chords on the same side of the circle. You have to solve the sum both ways. Okay, so in question 6, first I'll draw two parallel chords which are on the opposite sides of the circle. So let's say these are the two parallel chords. Parallel, okay, parallel doesn't mean the chords are equal, but parallel hai, theek hai? Center of the circle. In a circle of radius 17 centimeter, so radius is 17. I'll join this line to the chord. Let's say the chord AB, PQ, center O. This will be the radius OB, and this OQ will also be the radius. And the length of the chords are, let's say this chord is 30 centimeter and the other chord is 16 centimeter. Okay, we have to find the distance between the chords. Chords के बीच में का distance मतलब यहाँ से एक straight line draw करो जो center से pass हो रही है, perpendicular. This is the distance between the chords. Let's name this point M, N. This is the radius OQ and OB, and they have told that the radius is 17 centimeter. Okay, now we know that ON is perpendicular to AB and OM is perpendicular to PQ. If they are perpendicular, that means perpendicular from center bisects the chord. Perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. That means this chord is divided into equal parts. Okay, so I will write here AN equals NB, PM equals MQ. That means if this full chord is 16, it will be 8, 8. And if this full chord is 30, it is 15, 15. Correct? Now, what do we have to find? We have to find the distance between the chord. मतलब ये पूरा distance MN. तो ये पूरा distance को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दो. First consider this triangle. ये triangle दिख रहा है, right angle triangle. This side is 8, this side is 17. So using Pythagoras theorem, I can find ON. Then in this triangle, right angle triangle, this hypotenuse is 17, this side is 15. I can find this side OM. Okay, once I know these two sides, I can add them and find MN. Correct? So I have to apply Pythagoras 2 times. Okay, let's do it. First in the lower triangle, in triangle ONB, using Pythagoras theorem, ON square plus NB square equals OB square. We don't know the value of ON, but we know NB is 8 and we know OB is 17 square. When you do the calculation here, you will get ON as 15. These steps, you have to do these steps on your own because they are simple calculations. Pause the video and do it. So I have got ON as 15. Now let me find this triangle. In triangle OMQ, using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, OM square plus MQ square equals OQ square. So what is OM? We don't know the value of OM. MQ is 15 square and OQ is 17 square. So OM square is 289 minus 225, that is 64. So you will get OM as 8. So I've got OM as 8. If OM is 8 and ON is 15, what will be MN, the distance between the chords? MN, that is the distance between the chords, is MO, yeah, or it can say OM plus ON. That is 8 plus 15, 23 centimeter. This is your final answer. Pause the video and copy the sum. Now, for the second part, we know that we have to take the chords on the same side of the center. Okay, so let's draw a circle here. Let's say this is the center. Okay, we have to draw two chords. Let's say this is one chord and this is another chord. Two chords which are on the same side of the center and they are parallel to each other. These are parallel to each other. Okay, the data remains the same. The radius is 17 centimeter. Let's say this is chord AB, chord PQ. Radius is 17 centimeter. OB is the radius. And if I joint OQ, ये नीचे का chord है. If I joint OQ is also the radius. Radius means what? Center से लेके circumference तक का distance. Center से लेके circumference तक का distance. This is also radius OQ. So this will also be 17. Okay, I'll draw perpendicular from here on both the chords. So these are 90. Let's name this point as MN. Okay, two chords. What are the length of the two chords? 30 and 16. So let's say AB is 30 and PQ is 16. ये AB है पूरा, ये पूरा AB है 30 और ये OM perpendicular है. ठीक है, तो we have to write the statement OM is perpendicular to AB and this ON is perpendicular to PQ. So again the statement perpendicular from center bisect the chord. Okay, that means AM will be equal to MB, PN will be equal to PQ. Means ये half part same होगा, ये half और ये half same होगा. Means ये जो chord 16 है it will be 8 and 8 and ये जो chord है यहाँ पे जो 30 है it will be 15 and 15. Correct, ये 15 हुआ 15, 8, 8. Now what do we have to find? We have to find the distance between the chords. Means ये एक chord है, ये एक chord है और इनके बीच में का distance ढूंढना है. Means we have to find MN. Okay, now how do I do that? See this triangle ONQ, ये वाला triangle. Okay, forget this 17, forget this 15 also because 15 तो इसकी value थी ABM की, तो ये तेरे को भूल जाओ. And see this triangle ONQ. In this triangle NQ is 8, OQ is 17. So can I find ON easily? See, in triangle ONQ, using Pythagoras theorem, ON square plus NQ square equals OQ square. Okay, so ON square plus NQ square equals OQ square. We don't know the value of ON, but we know NQ is 8 and OQ is 17. So when you do the simplification, 289 minus 64, you will get 225. ON will be 15. Okay, so this full ON is 15. We have to find MN. तो OM मिल सकता है क्या? OM किसी तरह से? Yes. If I cover this part, ये एक triangle दिख रहा है OMB. Ignore this 17. See this triangle OMB. In this triangle OMB, this MB is 15, this OB is 17. So I can find OM. Correct? So let's write here in triangle OMB using Pythagoras theorem. OM square plus MB square equals OB square. We don't know the value of OM, but we know MB is 15 square and OB is 17 square. So OM square is 289 minus 225, that is 64. So OM will be 8. OM is 8, ON is 15. That means ये जो OM है छोटा सा, ये 8 है, और ये जो बड़ा ON है, ये पूरा ON है, ये है 15. सो मुझे अगर MN ढूंढना है तो 15 माइनस 8 करूँगा मैं. दिस 15 माइनस 8, आई विल गेट MN. सो MN इक्वल्स ON minus OM, that is 15 minus 8, that is 7 centimeter. This is the distance between the chords when they are on the same side of the circle. Interesting sum. I hope you have understood. Solve, copy each and every step. Do not skip anything, any reasons, any diagram. Diagrams are also important here. Draw them properly. You can even rewind the video, watch it again, watch the explanation again. That's it for today. Thank you.